Hello everyone. Today we're going to practice our layering skills a little bit more. It's called the Ducky Dune project. Before you can get started, you need to download the two images from its learning. One of them is the Ducky image and the other is the Dune image. So first get this downloaded and then we can get started. Okay, now that you've downloaded the two files, the Ducky and the Dune image files, let's get started. Open up Photoshop. We're going to click on File, Open, and go find your Ducky and Dune images wherever you saved them. The first one we want to open up is the Dune image. Double click. Now we have our Dune. Let's go ahead and open up our Duck. Go to File, Place. Now yours is going to say Place Embedded. I want you to click on that one. So click on Place Embedded. Find your Ducky image. Double click on Ducky. Now notice the duck is way too big and it has these handlebars along the corners. Let's go up to the top handlebar, hold down the shift key, click and pull it down. I'm going to make it about that big. Now that we have the size that we want, click enter. Now, because we clicked enter, all the handlebars are gone. Now let's move our duck up to the top of the dune. Click on the arrow key, the move tool, pull the duck up here. Now we want the duck about right here. We want the duck's head to be in the clouds and the body to be in this top dune area. Now there's some other things we need to do before we can edit the duck. Over here, see that little symbol? That means it's a smart object and we want it to be a rasterized object. Again, right click, raster layer. We still have a padlock here. We want to get rid of that. So let's double click on the background layer and just click OK. That makes the padlock go away. Okay, so what we want to do is make the duck look like it's stuck in the dune. It's actually sinking in the sand. So we need to get rid of all this white stuff around the duck. We can do that with our magic wand tool. The magic wand tool is pretty cool. Wherever we click, it's going to select the color that you select. So let's click on it. Whoa, that didn't work out right. It didn't click on the white. That's what we wanted. Why not? Why did it click on the blue? Look over in our layers. Notice that we're on layer 0 or the background. We're not on the ducky. So what I'm going to do is click Control D to deselect that selection. Click on ducky. Now I'm going to use the magic wand tool and click on the white background. Alright, well that's nice. Here's a couple tools you need to recognize for the magic wand tool. At the top, you can change the tolerance. So maybe it's selecting too much or not enough color for you. You can make the number higher or lower and play with it to get the desired effect. You can also use anti-alias, which means to make it a smooth edge. You can use contiguous. What contiguous means is when I click here, it'll only select the white that is touching. Notice the white on the eyes it left alone. If I was to take this off and click on the white, it would select all the white on the outside as well as the white on the inside. We can also change the refine edge and all that good stuff, but we're good right now. So what I want to do now is I want to press the delete key and get rid of all the white in the background. Awesome. Click Control D to deselect our selection. And now we have our ducky out in the dune. Now we want to make it look like it's sinking in the sand. Well, I'm going to show you a really cool tool. It's called the mask. I'm going to make sure I'm on the ducky layer, go down to the bottom and click on the mask icon. See how this new little square, this little box popped up? This is called the mask. If I click on it, and you have to click on it for this to work, if I click on this and I get my brush tool, wherever I brush black will remove the image. If I flip it and make it white, wherever I brush, it will bring the image back. So let me show you how it works. You're going to come over here with the black and we can take some off, right? But that's not what we want to do. let's make it white. Now it's going to bring back the image. So I can come back over it and I can bring the image back. Alright, well that's enough playing around. Let's make the duck look like it's sinking into the sand. Again, we're going to make it black so we can remove some of the image of the duck. Let's go up to our brush. And we want to change the hardness down to about right here, about 15, 16-ish. That'll be good. Our size is about 70. I have mine at 74, that's fine. Because we set it at soft, it means when we go to remove it, it's going to be a very soft transition between the sand and the duck. So I'm just going to go around the outside and click and take some of the outside off. Now the duck looks like it's sinking in the sand. Pretty neat trick. At this point, we're done. So you can file, click save, and save your project. But I want you to save it as a screenshot using the snipping tool. So go to the window icon, type in snipping, S-N-I-P-P-I-N-G, click on the snipping tool, swipe everything from the very top all the way down, and this is what I want you to upload for me. So go ahead, finish this project, and upload it. Hope you enjoyed.